Traveler's choice. Escape, explore, see. Planning to visit Delhi? Here are top 10 popular places to visit. 1. Red Fort. A UNESCO World Heritage Site, the Red Fort is a historic fort complex built by Mughal Emperor Shah Jahan in the 17th century. 2. India Gate. A famous landmark of Delhi, India Gate is a war memorial dedicated to the Indian soldiers who died in World War I. 3. Qutub Minar. Another UNESCO World Heritage Site, Qutub Minar is a towering minaret built in the 12th century, surrounded by a complex of ancient ruins. 4. Akshardham Temple. A massive and stunning temple complex dedicated to Swaminarayan, Akshardham is known for its intricate architecture and beautiful gardens. 5. Lotus Temple. A unique and iconic temple shaped like a lotus flower, the Lotus Temple is a Baha'i house of worship and a symbol of peace and unity. 6. Jama Masjid. One of the largest mosques in India, Jama Masjid is a beautiful and impressive structure built by Emperor Shah Jahan in the 17th century. 7. Humayun's Tomb. A UNESCO World Heritage Site, Humayun's Tomb is a beautiful mausoleum built in the 16th century for Mughal Emperor Humayun. 8. Gurudwara Sri Bangla Sahib. It is situated near Connaught Place, New Delhi on Babakar Singh Marg, and it is instantly recognizable by its golden dome and tall flagpole, Nishan Sahib. 9. Chandni Chowk, one of the oldest and busiest markets in Delhi. Chandni Chowk is a colorful and vibrant place to experience the local culture and cuisine. 10. National Museum, a must-visit for history buffs. The National Museum houses a vast collection of artifacts and exhibits that trace the country's history and culture. Guess the place? Comment below. Thanks for watching. Please like, comment and share the video. Also, subscribe to our channel for more such content.